Well, it's been a few days. I haven't talked about Azipods. Guests booked on the February 12th, Holland, America's Nieuw Amsterdam, have been notified of an itinerary change that involves a port swap and slightly less time in the replacement port due to an engine issue that limits the ship's speed. The safety of the vessel is not impacted, and guests are being provided with compensation for the change. The original itinerary of the ship called on Half Moon Cay, Holland, America's private island in the Bahamas, as well as Bonaire and Curacao, before returning to Florida on Sunday, February 19th. Quote, please be advised that Nieuw Amsterdam is experiencing a technical issue with the Azipod propulsion system, the email explained. As a result, we will no longer call on Bonaire on Wednesday the 15th. Instead, we'll call on Aruba that day. Interesting that this is the second issue that Nieuw Amsterdam has had changing cruises recently. If you're booked on the Nieuw Amsterdam in the near future, you need to stay tuned, because I have a feeling that this might impact several more cruises and may lead to a unexpected dry dock, which has happened on several ships that have Azipod issues. I think this is the first Holland American ship without Azipod problems so far.
I regularly post videos on all facets of the travel and cruise industry, so if you'd like to keep up with the latest in cruise ships, ports of call, cruises themselves, Chillie chats, and travel and cruise industry news, just hit the little subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when a new video is up or we go live. This video was produced by Chillie's Cruises.